everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I'm Namrata and I'm taking interviews of the CEOs and founders of several innovative startups in India. In today's interview, I'll be talking to Mr. Siddharth Elwadi, the founder and CEO of Repairify.in and Overcart.in. Overcart.in is India's first and only e-commerce website providing A-grade certified refurbished goods, especially mobile phones. In fact, Overcart is India's only company that sends pre-certification of mobile phones with more than 70 plus quality checks in collaboration with an US-based company called PhoneCheck. You want to know more about this business? Let's get into the video. Hello, sir. Good morning. Thank you for joining today. I am Namrata and I'll be taking your interview. So, if you could please kindly introduce yourself to the audience.
Good morning, Namrata. First of all, thank you so much for having me on board. Actually, I'm Siddharth Elwadi. I have been into the e-commerce industry from the last 15 years. Mainly the forte has been refurbishing mobiles. The company I've started in 2007. Before that, I was in US for about 10 years, and now I have just founded this company called Repairify.in, and we have recently launched a website 2 days ago called Overcart.in. So that is one of the first website in India to sell A-grade certified refurbished product.
Right. So how did you come up with this idea of the startup?
It all started in US. Because I had to pay my college fees, so I had to do something because as a student you have a lot of expenses. So I started buying and selling phones. I used to buy from Craigslist and used to sell on eBay and from people. So that became the hobby, became a business. In 2004 or 3, the hobby became in such a big idea that now it has been part of my life.
All right. So, while developing your product, was there an existing market gap that you thought your product could rightly fill in?
Yes. Basically, Repairify and Overcart, we are into refurbishing of mobiles. So what happens, and it is also called used mobile devices. So what happens in India, there is no system of getting exchanging these phones from customer to customer, because what happens, you get a phone from a customer, you get it, and it goes for refurbishing, but there is no such system involved. It is basically it's very unorganized sector. But now, from the last couple of years, the refurbishing industry is getting organized, and one of the main reason of the gap that we saw was the creating a complete system. Because what happens is, when you are refurbishing the mobile, the system which is not available, so we have been able to get that technology and put it into the our platform. Like, for example, we have now tied up with PhoneCheck. So what used to happen is, pehle you used to get a phone and the technician used to tell ki sir ye problem hai, this is the problem. So we used to be dependent on the technician to get the work done. So now there is a software available for that to tell you exactly what the problem is. So and also in the last couple of years, we saw the biggest gap that we saw is selling good quality refurbished products. When you buy as a customer, you need a good product in your hand, because a lot of websites which are already there currently, they are having a lot of grading system in the phones, and that grading system is not completely right, because you can't have it is very difficult to identify कि इस फोन में 2 scratches है तो ये B है, इस फोन का ये malfunction है तो ये C है. So but I think when a customer buys a refurbished phone, it has to be a properly checked, certified refurbished phone. So this is a huge gap right now in the market in terms of quality of refurbishing phones.
Right. Understood. So, when you were starting out initially, were there any challenges or difficulties that you had particularly faced and would want to mention?
Yes, I think one of the biggest challenges, and a lot of companies have failed into it, is actually refurbishing the mobile. It's not an easy task, because it involves a lot of manpower. It involves a lot of different kinds of repairing from board level to cosmetic level, parts availability. But because of our experience from the last 15 years, we were able to, and we have a system now, especially of the software phone check. We have been able to correct these issues at the right way.
Okay. So, if you had to explain your business model to me in layman terms, how would you do that?
सिंपल, अगर आपको यूज फोन खरीदना है, it has to be a A grade phone. So Overcart only sells A grade refurbished phones. We are the first company जो आपको फोन खरीदने से पहले 70 क्वालिटी चेक्स का सर्टिफिकेशन बाय मेल भेजती है. You want to see the cosmetic condition of the phone? It is exactly available on the website. We are not using stock images. We are trying to use the images of the phone. Exactly. So what we are trying to do is, अगर आपको एक यूज मोबाइल फोन सर्टिफाइड मोबाइल फोन ए ग्रेड का खरीदना है at a very very reasonable cost, Overcart is your destination.
All right. So, if I'm a customer at your website, and I also know that there are other refurbishing websites who are doing kind of the same thing. So, why should I go for you and not the others?
See, only basically I will give you three reasons. First, we are the only website who sells A grade refurbished phones. मतलब कि आपके पास जो फोन आता है तो वो पूरा तरीके से refurbished होके आता है. Second, we are the only company who has the technology from US called phone check. So the phone is exactly identified for the problem and exactly checked before it goes to the customer. Third, we have an easy 7-day money back guarantee that you can, if you don't like the phone, you can return it back to us. So these three reasons will definitely keep us apart from the competition, because all the websites who are there in the market are selling different kinds of phones. They don't, some of them are not even refurbished. So we make sure that it is properly certified phones sent to customer.
All right. Now, talking about the job prospect at your company, if I were a job applicant at your company, why should I work with you? Why should I choose to work with you?
Well, we have a very open culture in terms of our in a company. We have an excellent growth in our company. So if you, let's say, if you are a person who join as a BDM, so there is an unlimited amount of growth, because besides the basic pay that we give, there's a lot of incentives that we give to our employees. Especially in these days, everyone wants to grow in life. They don't want to be stagnant. So our company definitely has a lot of incentives programmed into it, and it really helps the employees to stay. And we had employees who have been with us for the last 12 years. So that basically tells the best thing about the company.
Okay. Now, shifting from the typical conversation we are having about the business, one interesting question for you is that if you were not doing this particular startup, what do you see yourself doing other than this?
Actually, nothing else. और कुछ आता ही नहीं. See, I told you this. I converted my hobby into my business, my passion into my business. क्योंकि मेरे से कई लोग पूछते हैं यार, क्योंकि बिजनेस में डाउन टर्न्स अपवर्ड्स आते रहते हैं. You have all kinds of cycles in your business. I don't know anything else. I have been doing this for a very long time. I think it has a great prospect in future, and I love doing it. It is my passion converted into business. Not that someone told me कि बेटा ये कर ले, इंजीनियर बन जा, डॉक्टर बन जा. ऐसा नहीं है. मैंने जो मुझे समझ में आया, जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I love working with mobile devices and everything, refurbishing the system and everything, technology part. So yeah, nothing else. I don't know.
Okay, great. Also, talking about when collaborating with vendors for your business, what are the parameters you actually judge them upon for taking them on board?
Well, it is basically the very simple one sentence quality, because we have vendors from parts point of view, because we buy a lot of parts from our vendors. So, and we have a very specific set of vendors who are giving us good A quality parts, because parts quality can be a lot of variance in quality can come. So I think any vendor who can give us good quality parts at a good rates, of course, is the only criteria we have.
All right. Also, if you could share any kind of short-term or long-term plans or goals you have thought for the company.
Well, one of the biggest plan we have is we have recently 2 days ago launched a website called overcar.in. We think the pandemic has changed everything now. We think that India is the only country which is growing at the rate of 9% in the refurbished sector. The rest of the world is on a minus 1% decline. And we also want to make sure that these devices becomes affordable to customers, and refurbish is the only way. So our plans is completely now focused on the website overcar.in, where we'll updating models and launching more models very soon.
Okay. Also, you would agree to the statement that when a company wants to grow and expand, funding is an important part of it. So, could you just walk me through the funding scenario at your company? Like, have you previously taken external funds? Are you planning to in the near future?
Yes, actually, when we started the company, we were in talk with one of the venture capitalists. The good and bad part of this refurbished industry is it's a very capital intensive industry, because the cost of mobile devices and parts is actually 70 to 80% of your business. So there's a huge capital requirement. Right now, we have not taken any funds from outside. We have a private investor on board who has invested in the company. But because now the pandemic, we are just coming out of the pandemic, so the numbers will come in the next 6 months. So I think after 6 months, we'll be looking into some. Hopefully, we can create some numbers and approach some of the potential venture capitalists.
All right. Also, one personal question from my side, other than this questionnaire list, is that I see a lot of motivational quotes in your office. So, how did you motivate yourself or your workforce through this pandemic?
Well, I think we tell everyone to meditate. Please meditate. Please be patient, because it is one of the disaster in the history of the world. We are all coping up with it the best way we can. So I think we just tell our employees to be patient. If they need any kind of counseling, they want to talk, they're open. We have a very open culture in the company. They can talk about anything with us. So that is one of the best thing. And we keep following up with them. Like, say, for example, when the vaccination started, so we made sure, because some technicians are some people who are working for us are not that educated to go on the app and get vaccinated. So we made sure that every one of them got vaccinated. So so few steps. I think if we all, as a world, as human beings, can take one step at a time, I think we'll be out of it very soon.
Agreed. Also, lastly, my question is, what are your thoughts about Startup Lanes?
Well, I've seen the website. I think it's a great initiative. Please keep doing these kind of interviews, and also I suggest please connect entrepreneurs. It's a very important part, because one of my professor, I was in US, and he was one of the best professor I've ever had in my history of education. And he asked one question. He said, what is the difference between you and a student at Harvard? So a lot of students gave different answers, and he says everyone is wrong. I said he replied, the only difference is the way you communicate. That is the only difference is there. Because they are reading the same books. If you're talking about marketing, Philip Kotler is the only book. It is whether it's Harvard or somewhere, but it's your ability to communicate. So I think the communication is a very big problem, and if you can let entrepreneurs communicate through your platform, connect them, I think that will be the greatest thing ever.
All right. Thank you for joining today's session, and it was lovely talking to you. Thank you for sharing your views and sharing your business ideas with the viewers.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you. We look forward to collaborate with you and your startup lane in many other ways. Thank you.
Well, same here. Thank you.